Good morning, good morning, good morning.
Shh, Leo, it is too loud. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the Lio and Lia Podcast.
I am loud because I am awake. I am Leo and I am ready for a new day.
And I am Lia. I am also awake, but I need my coffee first. Welcome to all our listeners, whether you are listening in the morning, the afternoon, or the night. Today we are talking about the start of the day.
Today's topic is my morning routine.
This is a very useful topic. We do the same things every morning. If you learn these words, you can describe 20% of your life.
Exactly. We're going to talk about alarms, bathrooms, breakfast, clothes, and how to feel happy in the morning.
We will also use our critical thinking. Is it better to wake up early? Is coffee good for you? We will explore these questions.
Listeners, make sure you are comfortable. If you are driving, drive safely. If you are cleaning, clean happily. And please subscribe and like this video to help us grow.
Let's start the clock. It is time to wake up.
Okay, picture this. It is 6 a.m. It is dark outside. Your phone makes a noise. Beep.
The dreaded alarm clock. Leo, are you an early bird or a night owl?
I am definitely an early bird. I like the morning. I wake up at 6 a.m. every day.
Wow, I am a night owl. I like to stay up late. So waking up is difficult for me. When my alarm rings, I press the snooze button.
The snooze button. 5 more minutes, please.
Yes, I press it 3 times. 6, 6:05, 6:10.
Critical thinking. Is the snooze button bad for us?
Scientists say yes. They say it confuses your brain. It's better to stand up immediately.
That sounds hard, but I agree. When I hear the alarm, I count 3, 2, 1, get up.
There is a difference between wake up and get up.
Yes, wake up is when you open your eyes. You are in bed, you are thinking.
Get up is when your feet touch the floor. You are out of bed.
Listeners, what time do you wake up? Do you wake up early or late?
Answer this question out loud. I wake up at...
And do you use the snooze button? Be honest.
Okay, we are out of bed. We stretch our arms. Ooh, it feels good to stretch.
Now we walk to the next room.
We are in the bathroom. This is where we clean ourselves.
The first thing I do is wash my face. I use cold water. Splash. It wakes me up instantly.
I prefer warm water. I use a special soap called a cleanser. It's good for the skin.
Then we must look in the mirror. I look in the mirror and say, "Hello, handsome."
You are very confident, Leo. After washing my face, I brush my teeth.
This is very important. You need a toothbrush and toothpaste.
How long do you brush, Leo?
2 minutes, up and down, left and right. You must have a fresh smile.
Critical thinking. Some people brush before breakfast and some people brush after breakfast. Which is correct?
Oh, this is a big debate. I brush before because I want to clean my mouth from the night.
I brush after because if I drink orange juice after brushing, it tastes terrible. Yuck!
That is true. Mint and orange juice are enemies.
Then, many people take a shower.
Do you take a morning shower or an evening shower?
I like a morning shower. It helps me prepare for the day. I wash my hair with shampoo. I wash my body with soap.
I like cold showers. Brr. It's good for energy.
You are crazy, Leo. I like hot showers, like a sauna.
Listeners, repeat the verbs. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I take a shower.
Excellent pronunciation. Now we are clean, but we are naked. We need clothes.
We go back to the bedroom. We open the closet or wardrobe. It is time to get dressed.
Choosing clothes can be stressful. What should I wear today?
It depends on the weather, right? If it's sunny, I wear a t-shirt. If it's raining, I wear a sweater.
And it depends on your day. If you go to work, you wear a uniform or a suit. If it is Sunday, you wear pajamas all day.
I love pajama days, but usually I wear jeans and a shirt.
Critical thinking. Does what we wear change how we feel?
Yes, absolutely. When I wear my favorite blue shirt, I feel confident. When I wear old, dirty clothes, I feel lazy.
So, choosing your clothes is part of preparing your mind. It's dressing for success.
Listeners, what are you wearing right now? Are you wearing comfortable clothes or fancy clothes?
Practice the sentence, I am wearing.
Don't forget your socks. I always lose one sock. Where do they go? It's a mystery.
The sock monster eats them.
Okay, we are dressed. We are clean, but my body needs something. I'm thirsty.
We go to the kitchen. The most popular morning drink in the world is coffee.
Ah, the magic bean juice. I have a coffee machine. I put the water in, I press the button. Grr, 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 grr. The smell is amazing.
I like the smell of coffee, but I prefer tea. I drink Earl Grey tea with a little bit of milk. It's very British.
Critical thinking. Why are we addicted to caffeine?
Because it wakes up our brain, it's a chemical called caffeine. It gives us a boost.
But we must be careful. If I drink 3 coffees, my hands shake, 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 shake.
Too much is bad. Also, before coffee, we should drink water.
Yes, a big glass of water. Your body is dehydrated after sleeping. Water is fuel.
Listeners, what is your morning drink? Coffee, tea, juice, or water?
Tell us, I drink.
Now, the food, breakfast. We talked about this in our food episode, but let's talk about the routine of it.
Do you eat breakfast standing up or do you sit down?
I try to sit down. I want to enjoy my food. I eat toast or yogurt.
I sometimes eat standing up because I am in a hurry. I eat a banana. It is fast food from nature.
Critical thinking, is breakfast the most important meal of the day?
My mother said yes. She said eat like a king in the morning.
But some people do intermittent fasting. They don't eat until 12 p.m. They skip breakfast.
I cannot do that. My stomach makes loud noises. Grumble, grumble. It's embarrassing.
Feed me, Leo.
Listeners, are you hungry in the morning? Say, yes, I am hungry, or no, I am not hungry.
Okay, we have satisfied the body, food, and shower. Now we must satisfy the mind.
What do you do with your brain in the morning? Do you check your phone?
I try not to, but yes, I check Instagram, I check my emails.
This is a bad habit. I do it too. I look at the news, bad news, bad news, bad news. It makes me sad.
Critical thinking, why should we avoid phones in the morning?
Because the morning is your time. When you check email, you are thinking about other people's problems. You should think about your goals.
So instead of the phone, what can we do?
We can meditate. Just breathe in, out for 5 minutes.
Or we can write. Some people write a to-do list.
Yes, a list is great. Go to the bank, buy milk, learn English.
Being organized makes you feel calm. If you have a plan, you don't have stress.
Listeners, do you check your phone in bed? It's okay to be honest.
Maybe tomorrow, try to wait 10 minutes before looking at the screen. Try it.
The routine is almost finished. It is time to leave the house.
We put on our shoes, we take our bag, we check for our keys.
Keys, wallet, phone, the Holy Trinity. I touch my pockets. Keys, yes. Wallet, yes. Phone, yes.
The Leo dance.
Then we open the door and step outside. The fresh air hits your face.
Now starts the commute. A commute is the travel from home to work or school.
How do you commute, Leah?
I drive my car. I listen to the radio or a podcast, like this one.
I take the bus, or sometimes the subway or metro. It is crowded, many people pushing.
Some lucky people walk to work. That's great exercise.
Critical thinking. Is the commute a waste of time?
It can be, but you can make it productive. You can learn English on the bus.
Yes, you are doing it right now. You are turning dead time into learning time.
Listeners, how do you get to work or school? By car? By bus? By train? On foot?
Say, I go by.
Now, Leah, is your routine the same on Saturday and Sunday?
Oh, no, no, no. The weekend is different.
On the weekend, I turn off the alarm, I sleep until 9 a.m. or 10 a.m.
I stay in my pajamas. I eat a very long breakfast, maybe pancakes, maybe eggs.
We call this a lazy morning. It is important to rest. You cannot be a machine every day.
Listeners, do you like the weekend morning? It is the best time of the week.
It is quiet, no emails, no boss, just freedom. We have lived through a whole morning together.
Let's look back at the steps. Wake up, bathroom, get dressed.
It seems like a lot of work, but we do it automatically. We call this a habit.
A habit is something you do without thinking, like brushing your teeth. You don't think up, down, left, right. You just do it.
If you want to learn English, make it a habit. Listen to a podcast every morning while you brush your teeth.
That is a great idea. 2 minutes of brushing equals 2 minutes of English.
Leo, I feel ready for the day now. I have energy.
Me too. Talking about mornings wakes me up.
Listeners, you have done an amazing job listening to us for 30 minutes. Your brain is working hard.
Now we have a challenge for you.
Yes, we want you to tell us about your morning. Go to the comments section below.
Write 3 sentences about your routine. Example, I wake up at 7. Example, I drink black coffee.
Keep it simple. We love reading your daily lives. It connects us.
Also, if you want a part 2 about the night routine, going to sleep, let us know.
Oh, that would be relaxing.
Thank you for listening. Have a wonderful, productive, and happy morning.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye.